Welcome back to Enable Finance. Today we're diving deep into commercial mortgages. Whether you're a business owner looking to buy your first commercial property or an investor exploring new opportunities, this video has everything you need to know. Let's get started. Mortgage terms. First question everyone asks, how long do commercial mortgages actually last? Unlike your typical home mortgage that stretches 25 to 35 years, commercial mortgages are much shorter. We're talking 3 to 25 years, with the sweet spot being 10 to 15 years. Why the shorter terms? 4 main reasons. Higher risk. Commercial lending is simply riskier for banks. Stronger repayment capacity. Businesses are expected to pay back faster. Property depreciation. Some commercial properties lose value quicker. Business changes. Companies evolve and may need to refinance. Here's a pro tip. Some lenders offer 20+ year repayment terms, but review your rates every 3 to 5 years. It's like getting the best of both worlds. Interest-only versus repayment. Now, should you go interest-only or full repayment? Let's break this down. Interest-only mortgages are huge with property investors. Lower monthly payments mean you can maximize your rental yields. But here's the catch. You need a solid exit strategy. How are you actually going to pay back that capital? Capital repayment mortgages are more popular with businesses buying their own premises. You're building equity every month and working toward outright ownership. Higher monthly payments, but you're actually buying the property bit by bit. Some lenders offer hybrid options. Start with interest only, then switch to repayment later. Perfect for growing businesses or properties under renovation. Deposit requirements. Let's talk deposits. The absolute minimum is 10%. That's a 90% loan-to-value ratio. But here's the reality check. That 10% minimum is rarer than a unicorn. It's mainly reserved for medical professionals, doctors, dentists, specialist medical facilities, lawyers, and accountants. For the rest of us, here's what you're actually looking at. 25 to 30% for standard commercial properties. 25 to 35% for investment properties, 35 to 40% for specialist properties, and 40% plus for higher risk sectors. Want to unlock lower deposits? You might need additional security, super strong tenant agreements, exceptional business performance, or government-backed schemes. Bad credit options. Got bad credit? Don't panic! It's challenging, but not impossible. Specialist adverse credit lenders focus more on the property than your credit history, but expect to pay for this privilege. 40 to 50% deposits may be required, 2 to 6% higher interest rates, stricter terms and monitoring. Alternative approaches include bringing in a business partner with clean credit, offering additional security, or demonstrating you've turned things around. Your chances improve with time since credit problems, clear explanation of past issues, evidence of business recovery, strong property fundamentals. Credit report impact. Finally, will this show up on your credit report? It depends on your business structure. Limited company borrowing typically appears on the company's credit report, not your personal file. But watch out for personal guarantees. They can create links back to your personal credit. Sole traders and partnerships. This goes straight on your personal credit file. Both the debt and payment history will be visible to future lenders. Good news though, commercial mortgages typically have less impact on personal credit scores than residential mortgages, and they usually don't directly affect home mortgage calculations. Conclusion. So there you have it, everything you need to know about commercial mortgages. Remember the key points: shorter terms than residential mortgages. Choose between interest-only and repayment based on your strategy. Expect 25 to 40% deposits for most properties. Bad credit options exist but cost more. Impact on personal credit depends on your business structure. Found this helpful? Smash that like button, subscribe for more business finance content, and drop your commercial mortgage questions in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.